Hello students, welcome to class. In this class, you're allowed to cry if you see something sad. Today we're going to be looking at an Instagram post that I came across just by accident. I was posting from my TikTok account to Instagram, and when it was finished posting, this is something that popped up on my feed. Now, many of you who will see this will think it's not a big deal. You will not see what an animal rights activist sees, because your heart has become numb over the years, and you can't identify child abuse or animal abuse. But this is exactly what it is. A little child is being taught at a young age to harm animals, to be speciesist. Speciesism is the first form of racism. It's all wrong. If these little piglets were cats or dogs, nobody would be okay with it. This little girl is being encouraged by her father to hit these little animals, to scare them, because she is supposedly practicing to be a farmer. Imagine teaching a child to pick up an object, to hit babies. They're jumping all over each other, trying to get away. She kicks them. These animals are born in captivity, in holocaust-like conditions, where they spend their lives without freedom, without being able to go into the grass and see the sky and do natural things, not be able to play with one another, always in fear of humans who come to hurt them for no reason. And after a lifetime of this, after 6 months, they're killed when they're still babies. That's their life. They're put on a truck, taken away, and put in a gas chamber. All of this is considered to be legal. Recently in England, a soccer player kicked his cat, and everybody freaked out. Everybody got upset. And his cat was removed from him. He was considered to be unfit to be around animals. This girl is actually being taught to do this. This is how you grow up to not care at all about animals. And it goes over further to be racist towards humans. You're taught at a young age that certain sentient beings have no value and others do. Please share this video. And if you understand in your heart that this is wrong, if you feel it and you know in your gut, then I encourage you to become vegan. Stop eating them. Stop wearing animals. Stop stealing their babies from them. Stop stealing their milk from them or their eggs. Be an animal defender. You could start by going to howdoigovegan.com. Or if you need help, you can go to a site called Challenge 22. Challenge22.com. They'll give you free advice and help and coaching. If you want to change this, the power is in your hands. Thank you for listening.
We say we love animals, yet we hurt them in every way imaginable. We shoot them, we beat them, we skin them, we wear them, we dominate them, we mutilate them, we cut off their skin, we betray them, we choke them, we force feed them, we burn them, we bite and swallow them. We fire guns at them, though they've committed no crimes. We cut off their heads, we kidnap them, and trample on their rights. We destroy rainforests to feed them, just so we can eat them. We experiment on them, we spray poisons on them, we radiate them. And all of this karma comes back to us, until we declare, I'll be vegan from now on. If you find value in my work, subscribe and press the notification bell and help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.